Ever wondered how to cook perfect rice in an electric pressure cooker? It's a simple process that can yield fluffy and delicious results every time. Here's how. You'll need some basic ingredients and equipment. Gather your rice, be it white, brown, jasmine, basmati, or any variety of your choice. Get some water ready. The ratio of water to rice will depend on your rice type. For equipment, you'll need an electric pressure cooker, a rice paddle or wooden spoon, a measuring cup, and optionally, a trivet or steaming rack. Start by measuring your rice. The standard ratio for white rice is 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water. For brown rice, you'll need a little more water, usually 1¼ cups for every cup of rice. Next, rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and prevents your rice from clumping. If you like your rice a bit stickier, you can choose to skip this step. Once your rice is rinsed, place it in the inner pot of your electric pressure cooker. Add the appropriate amount of water for your rice type. Next, close your pressure cooker's lid and make sure the pressure release valve is sealed. Set your pressure to low or high depending on your preference. Low pressure is ideal for delicate rice like jasmine or basmati, while high pressure is great for a quicker cook like white rice. Most electric pressure cookers have a rice setting. If yours does, select it. If not, use the manual setting. Rice usually takes between 3 to 6 minutes to cook under pressure, depending on the type of rice. After the cooking cycle is complete, allow the pressure cooker to release pressure naturally for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps your rice achieve the perfect texture. Finally, after the pressure has naturally released, open the lid carefully. Fluff your rice gently with a rice paddle or wooden spoon and voila! Your perfectly cooked rice is ready to be served. Remember, cooking is an art. Feel free to experiment by adding aromatics like garlic or ginger, or even a few drops of oil to your rice for added flavor. You can also use broth instead of water for extra flavor. And if you want to prevent your rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot, consider using a trivet or steaming rack. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked rice in an electric pressure cooker. Simple, efficient, and delicious. Enjoy!